this camera angle too crazy? I think it's a little too crazy. Hey guys, happy Friday. Welcome to my channel. I know, I get it. If you're a regular, I don't normally post on Fridays, but you know what? I've been wanting to switch to 2 times a week, and let's be honest, I'm too lazy to do highly produced videos 2 times a week. But I still wanted to do it, so I've been thinking of ways to make it work, and so I think on Fridays, we're just gonna have chill cooking days. There's probably not gonna be anything special about these recipes, but I figure I eat at least 3 times a day, at least. But if we're being honest, it's more like 5 or 6. So if I'm cooking these meals anyway, I know a lot of people in my personal life always ask for recipes, so I figure on Fridays we could just have chill days where I cook a meal, and if it looks like something that you'd enjoy, great. If not, maybe next week. So with that very shaky intro out of the way, today I'm gonna be showing you how I make my 5-minute garlic bread. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this isn't really my recipe. This was part of an every plate recipe, but it's really good, it's really quick, and so I wanted to share it with you guys because not everybody has the luxury of buying weekly meal kits. So you need some ciabatta bread, and I'm gonna be making 2 different kinds. I'm gonna be making one with butter, but I'm also gonna be making one with olive oil. And it is absolutely key. I will be so mad at you. I'll know if you don't use real garlic. If you just use garlic powder, honestly, shame on you. I'll find you and I'll look at you like an angry mother. So disappointed in you. So use some real garlic. And one other thing that I forgot to grab out. Ooh, where are you? Ooh. Some parsley flakes. And yes, I know, after giving you grief about the garlic, you can totally give me crap for using dried parsley. But you know what? We can't all be 100% perfect, okay? So I get this one from Aldi, and I don't know what it is about theirs, but theirs always seems a lot greener and fresher. It just smells really good. All right, let's get started. Garlic is kind of nuts, isn't it? Like, Mother Nature's crazy. I'm gonna go wild, and I think I'm gonna use 3 cloves per toast. Per ciabatta bread. Per toast makes it sound like per half. And I like garlic, just not that much. So here we go. This is gonna take forever to get this all chopped up, but we're gonna finally mince our garlic. Garlic is a pain in my ass. Tastes great, but it makes me feel mad. It takes forever to peel this. I'm just about through with it. All right, that was an angry smash. This one's pretty much minced. Next step is to create our butter/olive oil sauce. So these are pretty big rolls. I'm gonna do maybe 1.5 tablespoons of butter. And I'm gonna put it in the microwave for probably 20 seconds. Hi, Smoosh. It's a pretty girl. It's you. You're the pretty girl. Yeah, look at that little tail wag. You're so cute. All right, now I'm gonna put half of this garlic in with the butter. All right, I may have gone a little overboard with the garlic. Just a little bit though. And some parsley. And I'm so sorry, I don't have measurements for you guys. If I had to take a guess, maybe 1 teaspoon of parsley. And mix that up. And then we're gonna do the same with the olive oil. So I have another small bowl here. And again, not measuring, but this is probably gonna be around 2 tablespoons. And the rest of the garlic. And of course, when you make it, I'm assuming you're gonna pick either one or the other. So like, you don't have to do both olive oil and butter. I just feel like I should mention that in case some of you are confused. Smoosh, watch the sass. All right, and another teaspoon of parsley in the olive oil. Okay, and then we're gonna mix that bad boy up. Okay, I used a lot of garlic. I mean, I like garlic. I think I may have gone overboard. Maybe when you guys do it, just do 2 cloves, not 3. All right, I'm gonna pop these both in the microwave for about 15 seconds, just to kind of aromatize the garlic. I know that's not a word. We're gonna go with it, all right? In case no one ever taught you, clean as you go. These are smelling really great. So before I start spreading this on my bread, I'm going to start up my broiler. I'm gonna set it to high. And if you're not familiar with what broil is, I don't have a scientific explanation for you, but it basically turns your oven into a high-powered burning machine. Broil on high, start. All right, we have our first ciabatta roll here. I love ciabatta bread so much. So let's make this one our butter roll. So I'm just taking a spoon and I'm gonna spread this all over our bread. And make sure to even it out between each half, which is gonna be really important with all of this freaking garlic I cut. My God. And now I'm gonna put these in my baking sheet. And before we pop this bad boy in the oven, we still have to do our olive oil roll. Oh my God, Becca, who's gonna eat all this garlic bread? Me, okay? Me, I'm gonna eat it. All right, olive oil one's done. So I put that in my sheet too. And I believe our broiler should be ready for these to go in. Ooh, she's burning pretty hot. So with the broiler, if you are not familiar with it at all, it is crazy hot and it's gonna toast whatever you put in it super fast. So it's great if you're like making lasagna and you want your cheese to be all crispy, or like in this case with our garlic bread, it's gonna toast it out really, really nice. But it burns super hot. So if you are not right on that oven, it is going to burn anything you put in there and your dinner or your garlic toast will be ruined. So I'm gonna put this in and I'm gonna watch it like a hawk, and it should be good after like 2 minutes, possibly 3, but I doubt any more than that, so. And now we wait. How was your week, guys? Mine was crazy. I'm fostering a dog right now. Her name is Trisket, but I call her Miss Smooshface. And I'll do a formal introduction for you guys some point, but I think I want to wait until we officially adopt her. Do you want to be my doggy forever? Forever? You smoosh face. I love you. I love you so much. So I hope your week has been going well too. Let me know down in the comments. I love it when you guys talk to me. Otherwise it's like I'm just barfing into the universe and not getting anything back. So I guess what I'm saying is like, barf back. Oh man. After I just warned you guys. It's a little bit toastier than I personally would like. Only like the bigger halves, which is weird. Like the other 2 halves are perfect. They're just exactly what I would like. And fortunately for me, I'm married to a guy who likes burnt toast, or has just been lying to me for 10 years. So I'll save those ones for him, and then I'll have the smaller pieces for myself. So let's pop them on a plate once they cool down and give them a taste. Can you see her little smoosh face? Oh my goodness, I love you, is what I'm trying to say. Look at how pretty that is. It smells amazing and I'm so ready to eat it. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know which one is which. I think this one might be olive oil, so let's start with that one. That one was olive oil. Oh my gosh, though, that crunch. Ooh, did you hear that? So good. And the butter one. I mean, come on guys, that is amazing. And cutting the garlic's the hardest part. All right guys, so that was it for this Friday's recipe. I really hope you enjoyed. I hope that you find it as appealing and as easy of a recipe as I do. Of course, if you enjoyed this video, please leave me a thumbs up. Excuse you, I'm talking. Of course, subscribe to my channel if you've not already, especially if you enjoyed this recipe video, because I plan on doing this every Friday. And that being said, guys, I will see you the next time around. Wednesdays and Friday, okay? Wednesdays too.